Are you tired of the daily grind of a 9-to-5 job and looking for a way to make a living on your own terms? A great way to do that is starting an e-commerce business on Fulfillment by Amazon or FBA platform. Personally, I was able to leave my job and make more than $10,000 a month with Amazon FBA. If you're interested in learning how to do that yourself, then keep on watching. FBA is a service offered by Amazon that allows businesses to store their products in Amazon's warehouses and have them fulfilled by Amazon when an order is placed. This means that you as a seller can focus on finding and sourcing products, and Amazon will handle the rest, including shipping and customer service. Now, how can you get started with Amazon FBA so you can one day replace your full-time income? The first step is to research the market to identify a winning niche or product. This is crucial because you will need to invest money into inventory and shipping, so you need to make sure that the product will sell well and make you sustainable passive income. You want to look for products that have high demand and low competition. During this phase, it's important to not get too caught up with your emotional or subjective opinions. You need to make decisions based on solid data with the help of product research tools such as Helium 10. Before you decide on a specific product, it's important to understand the market you are entering. Look at the niche you're interested in and look for trends, best-selling products, and sales graphs. This will give you a better idea of what products are in demand and if the market overall has growth potential. A great tool for checking consumer interest is Google Trends. You can essentially look up the Google search volume of certain keywords. For instance, a product that rose in trend during the past few years because of COVID-19 is N95 masks. Let's try to look up the trend for N95 masks in the United States for the past 5 years. We can see on Google Trends that there is a huge spike during March to April in 2020 and another spike during January 2022. And we can see that the interest decreased over time, especially in the past year. For your Amazon FBA product, you want to choose something that's pretty much the opposite of this. That is evergreen rather than seasonal, so it can really bring you sustainable passive income. Another thing you can use to find winning products is the Amazon's bestsellers list. Amazon has a bestsellers list that shows the top selling products in different categories. You can use this list to find products that are selling well and have the potential to sell well in the future. How you can get specific data to validate your product is by using a product research tool. These tools can provide you with data on existing sellers' sales, pricing, and reviews, which can help you make more informed decisions about what products to sell. For example, let's say you're interested in selling an office chair. You can go to Amazon.com, type in office chair in the search bar. It'll then take you to the product search page. Then you can click on a product research tool such as the Helium 10 Chrome extension. It'll populate all the important data about this product, such as revenues, bestsellers rank, pricing, review count, and so on. With these information, you're able to make sure there is demand but not too much competition for this product. Not only that, a product research tool such as Helium 10 also has great features such as Black Box that can help you find products that meet your specific criteria within seconds, such as a monthly revenue more than 10,000, review count less than 300, and so much more. That way you're able to generate a list of potential products while saving time and energy. The video I'm going to post next week is going to be an in-depth video on how to do product research, so be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out. Before I move on to the next step, I wanted to let you know that I have a free masterclass to help you dive deeper into the step-by-step framework of starting Amazon FBA. It's perfect for you if you want a simple solution to build your own profitable Amazon FBA business and make a stable stream of income. The sign-up link is down in the description box below. Once you have identified a product to sell, you will then need to find a supplier to manufacture your product. A good place to find manufacturers or wholesalers is Alibaba. Be sure to thoroughly vet your supplier to ensure that they're reliable and trustworthy. A good supplier can provide you with high-quality products at a competitive price, which can help you improve your profits. Alibaba is a popular platform for finding suppliers, especially for those those looking to import products. You can go on the site, type in the product keyword. You can find a wide range of suppliers and manufacturers on the platform. And you can use the site's filters to narrow down your search. Make sure you choose trade assurance and verified supplier. Then you can browse the site to find reliable suppliers. You should not only check the prices, but also check supplier reviews, so that you can look for suppliers with good ratings and positive reviews to make sure they're reliable and trustworthy. Once you find a list of potential suppliers, send them messages directly to ask questions to get more information about their products, pricing, and shipping. Most importantly, you are also evaluating their communication to see if you can trust them as a long-term business partner. I also recommend getting samples from at least 3 suppliers to test out the product in person. Without samples, it's very hard to confirm the quality of the supplier. Nowadays, suppliers would claim anything just to get your business. But as a business owner who wants to make lasting passive income, you want to make sure the supplier is credible, is high quality right from the start. Once you have your product and supplier, you will need to create your branding assets. This includes your brand name, logo, maybe packaging if you decide to have one, and your product listing on Amazon. An appealing brand is important because it can really help you stand out from the competition and bring you steady sales. How you can do that is first understanding your target audience. You need to really get into their perspective, their needs, their wants, pain points, and how your brand can address them. Then you can design visual assets and language that really speak directly to your ideal customers. Your branding is conveyed primarily through your product listing images, bullet points, and description, because they're really the main things potential customers look at. So you want to include high quality product images, compelling bullet points, and product description. If you're worried that you're not experienced in graphic design, you can totally work with a freelancer on Upwork or Fiverr. That's what I personally did as well. I created the branding strategy and vision, then I let a freelance designer work out the technical details. Not only that, during this stage, you want to optimize your title and listing content for search engine optimization, or SEO. Use keywords in your title, bullet points, and description that not only accurately describe your product, but also are often searched by potential customers, so you can make it easy for them to find your listing. To level up your branding game even more, you can utilize Amazon's enhanced brand content, or EBC. It allows you to create a more optimized and engaging product listing by adding images, videos, and other types of content. With Amazon's own recommendation, you can help your listing stand out from the competition. Once your inventory arrives at the Amazon warehouse, it's time to launch your product. This is actually where most beginners make the mistake of not having a launch strategy, meaning that they put out their product hoping that it will sell by itself. Although we made sure the product will sell well during product research, it's critical to try to increase the sales of your product and reach a wider audience at the beginning. When your product is first launched, it doesn't have a lot of sales history and reviews, so it won't likely be ranked at the top of the search page. But the good thing is Amazon favors new listings when it doesn't have a lot of data to determine its rank. This is actually the best time to manually create some initial sales and reviews momentum. How you can do that is first investing in Amazon's pay-per-click advertising campaigns to increase visibility and sales. These are the sponsored product ads that you can see at the top of the search, rest of search, or product page. How it works is that you pay for each click that you bid on for certain keywords or competitor products. You can use Helium 10's keyword research tools to come up with relevant keywords to target. With the competitive pricing, you can then generate initial sales velocity. Another thing you can use is Amazon's promotions. Amazon provides a few ways for sellers to promote their products, such as lightning deals, coupons, and deals of the day. Utilize utilizing these promotions can be a great way to drive sales and generate buzz for your product as well. As you can see, there are a lot of small details involved in the process of building your own Amazon FBA business. That's why I created a free masterclass to help you learn the step-by-step framework to build a profitable Amazon FBA business and make stable passive income. Even if you don't know what products to sell, don't have a ton of money to invest, or are brand new to e-commerce, you can sign up for the free masterclass via the link in my description box. Now, at this point in the video, you might be wondering what are some of the other options of selling on Amazon, such as dropshipping and wholesale. Then you should definitely watch this video where I tell you exactly how these business models work, their pros and cons, so you can choose the one that works best for you. Alright, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.